This is the brief on the Kucoin Referral code, KUREFC. So this guide is basically a roadmap detailing how new crypto traders can unlock massive sign-up bonuses and significant trading fee discounts by using a specific invite code when joining the Kucoin exchange. First, let's talk advantages. So what exactly is inside this digital welcome basket? Well, using this link gets you two major perks. We're talking access to welcome bonuses worth up to 11,000 USDT, which are essentially crypto dollars, plus a huge 60% discount on your trading fees. Second, let's look at the registration steps and the critical catch. Signing up is super simple. Just visit the official page and create an account using your email or phone. But here's the deal breaker. You literally must enter the code KUREFC in the referral field before you finish registering. Now you might be wondering, can I just add the code later if I forget? Absolutely not. If you skip this step during the initial sign-up, you lose the perks entirely. Finally, let's clarify how you actually unlock those rewards. Look, it's not a free crypto ATM, it's a reward track. Are these bonuses guaranteed just for signing up? Well, only if you put in the required verification and trading work. The bonuses aren't handed out instantly. You've got to complete your KYC identity verification and knock out specific promotional tasks, like making qualifying deposits and trades. Ultimately, using the code KUREFC during your initial Kucoin sign-up is your one-shot ticket to unlocking major bonuses and fee discounts, provided you're ready to complete the required platform tasks.